This video will demonstrate the operating procedures for the SP11A Disposable Video Rhinolaryngoscope. Before connecting the SP11A to the M110, please prepare the SP11A endoscope, video cable, and the M110A video processor. The SP11A's core rule: two valid connections are allowed within 20 minutes. A connection is only counted if it exceeds 30 seconds. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until we see Meditech appears to start. This is the video cable used to connect the M110 video processor to the insertion section of the endoscope. Align the raised part with the groove on the M110A and insert it. A click sound indicates a successful connection. The SP11A is a sterile, single-use product. Before use, please ensure the outer packaging is intact. Do not use the product if the packaging is damaged. After confirming the packaging is intact, open it, remove the endoscope, and detach the protective sleeve from the front end. Then, connect the other end of the video cable to the insertion part of the endoscope. At this point, the endoscope's light will turn on and the screen will display an image indicating the 20-minute countdown has begun. Note the countdown in the upper right corner. It auto-hides after 3 minutes to avoid obstructing the main view. Disconnecting after over 31 seconds counts as one use, a design that prevents resource waste from mishandling or device issues. If reconnected now, this will be the last available use for this endoscope under the usage rules. When the SP11A has been operating continuously for approximately 17 minutes. During normal use, a yellow text reminder will pop up on the screen when 3 minutes remain. When time expires, the screen blacks out and the device is disabled. Demonstrate the misoperation prevention protection of the SP11A. By connecting a new device, we'll show you how the SP11A intelligently ignores accidental disconnections within 30 seconds. First, we perform a quick connection and disconnection. As you can see, disconnecting within 30 seconds is not registered as a usage instance. Next, we perform the second connection. A disconnection within 30 seconds again isn't counted, and the time remains at 20 minutes. Friendly reminder: to maintain proper function, please minimize frequent connecting and disconnecting of the device. Let's look at how to check the remaining time on the M110A. If you wish to check the hidden remaining usage time, you can find the endoscope use information option in the menu. Press OK to proceed and view all details. Simply press OK again to close the information window. SP11A Disposable Medical Endoscope: safe, convenient, single-use.